Welcome back, YouTube. This is Jared, RedRacer Video. Thanks for joining me for another one. Today, guys, we were talking about a DIY project that I am forced to do. I need to get the fender on this car fixed. I have somebody give me a fender, which is cool. Today, I'm gonna try and heat this fender up, and I'll show you what I'm using there. So I'm using a heat gun that I won, but we're gonna use this, get the fender really, really warm, and I'm gonna try and just push it out best I can. I know it's not gonna be pretty for LS Fest, which sucks, but whatever. We're gonna see what I can do. The main reason it's not gonna look good, and I'll show you real quick, let me put this down, is it's on body lines. Body lines suck, they're just not cool. Now I know there are some dudes that can do this, don't get me wrong. If somebody spent enough time on this, they could make this fender look okay, I get it. But by the time that person does that and spend that many hours, I really think you're better off just replacing this fender. It's just my opinion, but anyways. Right here are your biggest issues. Wherever you've got a crease on these body lines, I'm pretty confident you can see them. I mean, you're pretty much hosed. And then, you know, at the fender edge, where the bumper first started contacting it, coming across the clear bra or the clear shield, and then coming through here, you know, that's just a lot of damage. So again, not going for perfect, I'm just going for make it look decent. All right, so I've tried this a little bit, and I found a hammer, and I figured out that I can just barely squeak this up in there, and then I can use the tire as leverage and kind of push and pin, and I think I can push the fender out a little bit. I can see where I've already been pushing, and I think if I heat that whole area up, I think it'll work. I'm not gonna make you guys sit and watch this whole thing, because I know this is gonna take a while to heat this whole panel. I'll speed that part of it up here, and then I'll start prying on this and just see what we can do to kind of get the bulk of this out in the middle here, and then start maybe working from there a little bit. So, see what happens. So as expected, it does not, I repeat, does not look good. It's definitely not ideal. It's not what I would want. But there's, you know, no question I've given it enough space for this to move. Turn, hit bumps, not rub. But again, it's not pretty at all. My paintless dent repair career might be over today before it ever started. Oh, my kid's home. So that's how she's gonna be for LS Fest West. We're gonna leave it like that. I'll take it. It works. The car functions. I've got to get some wheels and tires on it. So I told you guys a couple times, wheel and tire video is coming. We're gonna show you guys the setup on the car, wheel and tire wise. We have two. We're gonna switch from one to the other so that we can drive the car to Vegas. I believe it's like 380 or 480. I can't remember which one. But it's a good little drive, probably a 5-hour drive for us. Driving down with a bunch of other cars that are fairly rapid, so we may get down there, you know, in decent time. But going to Vegas for LS Fest West, and the car's gonna be a little bit ugly while we do it, but we're gonna do it. So I've got to switch up some tires so I don't put all the miles on my racing tires, and we'll take the racing tires down. I got a buddy take them down their trailer, so thanks so much, guys. I've had a couple people offer. So we'll definitely be able to get our stuff down there for no problem. I'm excited, it's gonna be fun. I hope we can represent well. Last year, I believe 17th overall for LS Fest West in the Grand Champion bracket. Looking to improve there this year. I'm definitely better autocrossing than I was last year. I wanna say I'm better road coursing, but I haven't road coursed a lot since last year because my car's broken every time since last year. So I really just wanna get the car kind of warm and run one decent lap. And if it's halfway good, I'll probably leave it there and not try to break the car before I drive it home. And then speed stop I traditionally do pretty well at, so I'm really excited about that, and we'll go from there. But drag race last year, I was the 3rd fastest car down the course this year, hoping to maybe be #1 or something, I don't know. She makes a lot of power, she'll put a lot down, see what happens. But that's the fender video, and wheel and tire video is coming next. Like I told you guys, also one other video coming is the suspension video. I told you guys that if you ask for stuff, it'll come. So again, guys, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching the video with me. Jared, RedRacer Video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.